Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application by Google, like not My Files by OPPO, but Files by Google. That's essential. Then you have to go to the SD card and tap here, go to the storage settings and select Format, and then tap Format SD card. And after a few seconds, SD card will be formatted and ready to be used in you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.